Well, it is Monday once again, everyone. So it's time for the Monday market moment. It is 12/12/22. And today we're, of course, going to have the latest stats. We're also going to talk about how is the market really? Lots of talk going on about, it's not only a changing market, but it's a tough market. It's a declining market. So we're going to look at the stats and kind of dissect them a little bit more and see what's really going on. First, let's talk about the stats. Right now, we have 3,742 homes for sale throughout San Diego County. It's a decrease of 189 from last week. The median list price of those homes is $885. Average days on market, 61. The pending sales, 1839. So that's a decrease of 17 pendings, or homes that are in escrow. Those homes have a median list price of $759. So obviously the homes that are in escrow priced lower than the ones that are still on the market because they're still on the market for a reason. Average days on market, 35. So obviously fewer days on market for the homes in escrow than the ones that are still on the market. Months of inventory, slight decline from last week, 2.45 months of inventory, 0.04 decrease from last week. Here's a chart that shows the totals. Total actives still on the decline, and you can see from where we were just about 2 months ago how far we've come down. Meanwhile, the pendings, although lower than what they were a couple of months ago, that's starting to level off a little bit. Since last week, 427 homes came on the market. It's 104 fewer homes that came on the market the week before. Median list price, $835. New pendings, $325. That's an increase. So 30 more homes went into escrow last week before. Median list price of those homes, $775. Average days on market, 35. New pendings listed within the last week, 8. So 8 homes went on the market and sold in the first week. New pendings listed within the last 2 weeks, 98. So 30%, about almost a third of the homes that are going into escrow were only in the market for 2 weeks or less. Total closed sales last week, 293. That's a big drop of 90 from the week before. Median list price, $799,999. Median sales price, $800,000. So interestingly, just kind of harking back to the way it had been earlier this year, where homes were selling for above list price. That's what happened this past week, just slightly though. Average days on market, 30. That's an increase of 3 days from last week. The least expensive sale was $65,000 in Borrego Springs, and the most expensive sale was in Coronado, $4,175,000. Interestingly, the week before, least expensive sale, also in Borrego Springs, the most expensive sale, also in Coronado. Here's the chart that shows the new actives, new pendings, and new closed sales. You can see the number of new listings that came on the market. Other than a couple weeks ago when Thanksgiving took place, huge drop in the number of total listings that came on the market last week. Pendings increased from last week. You can kind of see where we're at on the orange line here. Last 3 weeks, it's been going up. Gray line, the total closed sales did drop, however, so we'll see how that goes. And then the median list price and median sales price, lower than last week, but still above where we had been pretty much the last couple months. So how is the market really? Well, inventory is continuing to decline, and rapidly. We're seeing the inventory decline faster than we kind of expected to see, I think, over the last couple of months. Demand is going down overall, but slower than the lowering of inventory. So we're seeing the imbalance of supply and demand is starting to moderate a little bit. Months of inventory is still below 2.5. So still under 3 months, which is considered to still be a seller's market. Nearly a third of the homes are selling, as I said, within 2 weeks. Prices are holding steady. They're bouncing around, but over the last couple of months, we've seen the median list price and median sales price holding pretty steady. Interest rates are helping. Interest rates have actually gone down over the last few weeks for mortgages. We had been at 7% and above. We're now below that, hovering around 6.5%, still bouncing around, but much welcome news. And that's, I think, spurring buyers to get back in the market. So what's the upshot? If you're looking to sell your home, there is less competition now than there has been. So now might be a good time to consider putting your home back on the market, as we are seeing more buyers out there. And if you are looking to buy, there is still less competition out there. There are fewer people buying right now during the holidays. So now might be a good time to get out and start looking. Lastly, again, reminder of the Socks for Seniors that we're doing for the San Diego County Council on Aging. Now through January 15th, socks are the most requested items in homeless shelters, especially for seniors. So we would love to get any socks that you might have there. We need brand new socks, preferably the white tube socks. Those are better than ones with dye. But any socks will be great. But again, preferably athletic socks are fantastic, and happy to pick them up from where you are. Just give me a call and let me know if I can come get them from you. And that's it for this week's Money Market Moment. Hope you have a wonderful week. Stay safe and healthy. I look forward to reporting next week in the next Money Market Moment. Have a great day.